Good morning, everybody. Today I will show you how to properly wash your station. This is very important. Okay, so each station will be equipped with a bucket. This bucket has a handy handle, so you can fill it with hot soapy water and bring it over to your dirty station. Oh my God, look how dirty that is. Okay, so each bucket will have the soap. Okay, if you need more, let us know. We'll fill it up. A clean sponge. It should be clean from the period before. If not, let me know. It shouldn't be full of flour and gunk. This is a heavy-duty brush, mostly for pots and pans and for scrubbing the oven when you get to Team Clean, which is something else. And then you will have a nice steel wool for your tools. So first off, let's make sure we have hot water, and that is to the left. Okay, that red thing. Okay, blue does not get things cold. So we're gonna fill this up, and a little bit of soap, about 1 or 2 little squirts, and fill it up halfway. Okay. All right, so now we have it half full. I'm gonna use the green sponge now to clean my station. And many of you may have seen this guy here. This is just for spraying down at the end of the day, just to clean the counters. And then to polish the silver, we'll use this once in a while, okay, the stainless steel polish, okay? So now I take my little handle that I told you about, I bring it over here to my table. And this is how you can get things clean, okay? Make sure you get the soapy water on top, okay? Right there, just get me in the shot. Not me, but my hand. And we'll look. With this scrubby side, guys, get your hot water and scrub. Okay, don't get it all over onto the floor, just get the sides. Okay, pick up the bucket, clean under the bucket, okay? If you want to bring the camera down, if you go to the second level, you can also clean on the second level with this. But mine is full of stuff, but here we got a little gunk. We'll clean that off. Okay, and I'll come back with the towel. So now, once we're done up here, each station will have paper towels and rags. I have my rag here, okay? And now the best way to clean this off is to go from top to bottom, drawing like this. Okay, and then just push it all down. So now, the next class is nice and clean, okay? So now you can do your dough on here, you can do anything on here. That's why when we work with certain doughs and we roll out things, it has to be very clean, and you have to clean it with soap water. Sanitizing it is just as good as just using alcohol in your hands. Only soap is key, okay? So at this point, this is clear. At the end of the period, you're going to dump your bucket, okay, out in the sink and clean it out. Make sure your sponge is squeezed out dry, okay? All right. And then you're going to dump it in the sink. All right, and also at the end of the day or at the end of your period, make sure that your sink is clear, okay? I don't care if it's wet, just make sure that there's no food in it, okay? At the end of the day, we'll make sure it's dry, or if you're the last class, you'll make sure it's dry.